Barney. Okay, one more time. Go. And oh, thank you. And thank you for inviting me to play hopscotch. What's that strange sound? Do you hear it?
Zoom! Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pilot speaking, Captain BJ. We hope you're enjoying your flight today. Zoom! If you look this way, you'll see a really cool playset. And if you look that way,
Wait a minute.
we're headed straight for a big purple party.
No! Oh, look out! Whoa! Oh, that was some fancy flying, Captain BJ.
Oh, thanks, Barney. What do you think of my new airplane? Isn't it the most awesome thing you've ever seen?
That's a terrific toy.
See? It's just like a real plane. It has 2 wings and a tail and everything.
And this is the cockpit where the pilot sits to fly the plane. Oh, where are you going to fly now?
Oh, way up there.
Okay.
Zoom.
Look! Hey, look up there, up in the sky. There in the fluffy clouds, way up high. Let's shout hooray as they zoom by.
Hey, look at me, I can fly!
Hello! I'm like a bird in the sky, flying around with them oh so high. I wave hello, then I wave goodbye. Hey, look at me, I can fly. Look at me, guys.
Hey, look at us, up in the sky.
Here in the fluffy clouds, way up high. We hooray as we zoom by. Hey, look at us, we can fly.
I'm like a bird in the sky, flying around with them oh so high.
I wave hello, then I wave goodbye. Hey, look at me, I can fly.
Hey, look at me, I can fly. Oh, here I come.
That thing's totally tippity-top, Peach.
Oh, thanks, Riff. And now it's time to land.
Okay, let me just move this stuff out of the way here.
Thanks, Barney.
There you go. Oh, Captain BJ, you're clear to land.
We're coming in. Please fasten your seatbelts and put your tray tables in their upright positions.
Whoa, here we go.
Oh, man, this plane is the greatest.
Oh, check it out. It even has propellers.
That's right. Some planes have propellers that spin around and around. They help the plane fly through the air.
Sometimes they sound like the bee-bopping beat of a drum. Here, listen.
Okay.
I'll show ya. Yeah!
If all airplanes sounded like that, the sky would be filled with music.
Hi, Riff. Hi, BJ.
Hi, Addison. Hi, David.
Barney, do you want to play some more hopscotch? You guys can play too.
Oh, that sounds great. Oh, thanks for inviting us.
Yeah, sounds fun.
Thanks. Maybe later. Oh, Beach, can I play with your plane? Please?
Sure.
Aw, thanks.
Oh, it's very nice of you to share, BJ. Now, let's share a game of hopscotch with Madison and David.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
I wonder how the propellers spin around like that. Do-do-do-do-do. Ba-na-na-na-now. How does this thing work? How does this thing work? How does this thing work? I really want to know. What if I push here? What if I pull there? How does this thing work? I really want to know. I've got a lot of questions. I really want to know why things work the way they do. I'd like to find the answer, so how How does this thing work? How does this thing work? How does this thing work? I really want to know. What if I push here? What if I pull there? How does this thing work? I really want to know. I wonder what's in here. Oh, what if this was a real plane? It'd be full of people and suitcases. Wouldn't it be fantastic fun to be in a real airplane? Cool-a-rama!
Let's go flying in a plane today. It's so much fun to fly away to a place we really want to see or to visit some friends and family. Flying in a plane, flying in a plane. We love flying in a plane. Oh, the airplane pilots take great care when flying passengers here and there. They check their list for every flight to make sure everything's just right. Flying in a plane, flying in a plane. We love flying in a plane. The flight attendants are always nice. They smile and give good safety advice. They help with bags and finding seats, and sometimes even pass out treats. Flying in a plane, flying in a plane. We love flying in a plane. When the pilot is ready to go, the engines rev and we all know that soon we will be soaring high with the clouds in the big blue sky. Flying in a plane, flying in a plane. We love flying in a plane. Flying in a plane, flying in a plane. We love flying in a plane.
I better put this back on the plane, but... Uh-oh. Where does it go? Oh, I have to get it back together. Okay, let's see. The propeller goes here. Nope. Oh. Okay, and that wing goes there. But wait, that's not it. Oh, maybe it fits here? Oh, no. It doesn't even look like a plane anymore. Oh, what am I going to do?
There you go. And one more here now. Whoa, all right.
Oh, that was fun. Thanks for inviting us to play.
Oh, yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, I just love hopscotch. Whoa. Okay, bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Oh, no. BJ's coming.
Oh, hi, Riff.
Oh, are you finished playing with my plane?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, can I have it back now, please?
Sure, Beach. Why not?
Riff, what are you doing?
Oh, here you go, Beach.
Whoa! What happened to my plane?
I'm sorry, BJ. I wanted to see how it worked, so I took it apart, but then I couldn't remember how to put it back together. I shouldn't have taken it apart without asking. I am really, really sorry.
Oh, I'm sure we can put it back together again.
What?
It's just so funny looking.
You mean you're not mad?
Oh, no. I know how to put it back together.
Really?
Observe closely. See, a wing goes on each side like this. The tail goes on the
that's
back,
how it goes.
and the propellers go on the front like this.
Well,
Ta-da!
I'm so glad you knew how to fix it.
oh, look, BJ. You're not the only one who brought a plane to the park today.
Awesome!
Oh, look at all of them.
Oh, let's all pretend to fly like an airplane. Oh, do you want to fly with us? Just stretch your arms wide and fly. Good.
Oh, we are flying in an airplane, looking out the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an airplane, looking out the window, up so very high. Looking out the window, we can see the wings. Down below, we see other things, like little tiny buildings and cars so small. It makes me feel like I'm really tall.
Oh, we are flying in an airplane, looking out the window, watching the clouds go by.
Bye-bye.
Flying in an airplane, looking out the window, up
Pretending I'm the pilot is a lot of fun. I think when I grow up, I really might be one. But for now, I'm just enjoying being in this plane. Safe from the snow and from the rain.
Oh, we are flying in an airplane, looking out the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an airplane, looking out the window, up so very high. Yes, we are flying in an airplane, looking out the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an airplane, looking out the window, up so very high.
Come on, Riff. Let's go play with my airplane together.
Are you sure you want me to play with it?
Oh, sure, I'm sure. Pilot to co-pilot, are we ready for takeoff?
Co-pilot to pilot, yes, we are.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, BJ. Bye, Rick. See ya. We had a wonderful time pretending we were airplanes, flying high up in the sky. It's so much fun to pretend, especially with a friend like you. I'm so happy you're the one that's here today, having fun. Wherever we go, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Everything's better with a friend. Whoa. Everything's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Everything's better with a friend. Everything's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Bye.